I have chosen thee in the furnace of affliction. Isaiah chapter 48, verse 10. Comfort yourself, tried believer, with this thought. God says, I have chosen thee in the furnace of affliction. Does not the verse come like a gentle shower, lessening the fury of the flame? Yea, is it not like an asbestos armor, against which the heat has no power? So, let affliction come, God has chosen me. Poverty, you might stride in at my door, but God is already in the house, He has chosen me. Sickness, you might intrude, but I have a balsam ready, God has chosen me. Whatever happens to me in this valley of tears, I know that He has chosen me. Believer, if you still need greater comfort, remember that you have the Son of Man with you in the furnace. In that silent chamber of yours, there sits by your side one whom you have not seen, but whom you love. Oftentimes, when you do not know it, He makes your bed in your affliction and smooths your pillow for you. You are in poverty, but in that lovely house of yours, the Lord of life and glory is a frequent visitor. He loves to come into these desolate places that He may visit you. Your friend sticks closely to you. You cannot see Him, but you can feel the pressure of His hands. Do you not hear His voice? Even in the valley of the shadow of death, He says, Fear not, for I am with you. Be not dismayed, for I am your God. Remember the well-known speech of Caesar to his troops, Fear not, for you carry both Caesar and his fortune with you. Fear not, Christian, Jesus is with you. In all your fiery trials, His presence is both your comfort and safety. He will never leave one whom He has chosen for His own. Fear not, for I am with you, is His sure word of promise to His chosen ones in the furnace of affliction. Will you not, then, take firm hold of Christ and say, Through floods and flames, if Jesus leads, I'll follow where He goes. Amen.